do what? Open those comments.
All right, here we go.
Guess I won't be going to the women's bathroom in Chinese restaurants anymore.
I hope not.
Considering the anonymity of this page, why wouldn't you just tell us the name of the restaurant? Good point. Who posted that? Now switching over to Lafayette's Confessions. Let me see what we have here. Okay, here's one. It says, I want to know where all the good, decent men are out there. I'm a 28-year-old single mother. I'm so tired of losers who use and abuse people. I'm ready to settle down and be a family. I can take care of myself, but it'd be nice to find a man who can take care of himself also, who is faithful and wants a family and a settled family. Any advice where to find them?
Nebraska. I hear they have a lot of them.
Well, clearly Lafayette Confessions. It's just going to show up with, like, all the eligible bachelors that there are.
Can we say run on now?
Oh, yeah. I mean, she basically said what you wanted to say. 5 different ways. Well, let me read some of these comments. We are the ones y'all just call friends. I mean, isn't that true, though? I can't tell you how many guys I've probably put in the friend zone. I should probably take them up on their generous offers. The next one says, don't look for it. It will come when you are not looking for it. That is probably true. Also, probably putting it on Lafayette Confessions isn't going to make it happen any faster.
Probably.
Yeah, probably not. Let's see, let's find another one. Only things good about Lafayette are the food and the women. Everything else sucks.
Radio edit.
Most natives are dumb as rocks. Or drunk coon hicks. Only money to be made is in the oil field. The people here are all bandwagon. I first moved here and would see Miami Dolphins, Dallas Cowboys in the store. Now it's all Saint stuff. You people eat anything with legs. Racism is
blatant and rampant.
This coming from a white person. Politicians are thieves that you all support as long as they are a Democrat.
Or not.
Or not a Democrat, sorry. Everyone here loved Bobby Jindal until you realized he was really an Indian.
Thank you for your observations.
Tell us how you really feel.
Please.
White guy from Lafayette.
And that's Lana's Confessions for your Thursday.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Live from the Lake City, this is LA On Air with Bray J. Broadcasting from the great state of Louisiana to the world, this is LA On Air with Bray J.
There's gotta be dynamite.
There it is, Bray J and Lana joining you, LA On Air, right here on Louisiana Indie Radio. Thank you so much for joining us. All right. Lana cracks me up. Oh, man. All right, here we are. Second half of the show. Buckle up for this part. Trust me. I wish we had a webcam right this second so you could see what she's doing. You crazy. Here's Lindsay Papillon with Let Me Get That Up Out You, representing the Lake City, right here on LA On Air on LouisianaIndieRadio.com.
No time to wait for reparations. LB is the world's new sensation. I see what's mine, so now I'm taking. I'm about to perform a demonstration. Now I'm rocking shows and stunting on. No free t-shirts or free downloads. Look at ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya. I am the great one that's no faking. I allow my light and fly Jamaican. Yeah, man. Airlines and hairlines be heartbreaking. Go ahead and smile, the whole world's waiting. Now I got my dough, let's start the show. All pretty, the front row. Look inside, ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya.
The amount tendered for my verbal services rendered has entered me into an income bracket not seen by most black kids. Your melanin is a miracle waiting to happen, and only you can activate it, whether you're studying or trapping. So let me get that about you. Shout out.
Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out. Let me get that up out of you.
I sit and marvel at the way you just devour the art. Blowing out the lies, knocking them down the sides. Where do you think where the monsters will be coming from? We're turning tables now, explain exactly how you understand where the monsters will be coming from. Lay on the floor and think about the planets way out in space. You're trying harder, but you cannot yet begin your escape. The lights are flashing, the brighter ones are starting to fade. You're on a pedal and they're starting to believe your charades. Blowing out the lions, knocking them down the sides. Where do you think that the monsters will be coming from? We're turning tables now, explain exactly how you understand where the monsters will be coming from. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. They're racing, replacing what's left of you. What's left of you? Erasing, replacing what's left of you. Hey!
That was Lindsay Papillon representing the Lake City, Lake Charles, Louisiana, with Let Me Get That Up Out Ya, followed by Bantam Foxes out of New Orleans with Charade from their new album Triumph, right here on LA On Air. Here it is, we have one for you. All right, so what if I told you, Lana, I have a friend who was raised in the jungle, and she's kind of like Mowgli. What would you say?
I would probably say that it's time for me to get new friends.
Well, I actually found out about this person, okay? They call her the real-life Mowgli. She's now 23, and I don't know how you say this, Tippy or TP or something like that. Anyway, born and raised in the wildlife in Africa, of all places, okay?
Do what?
Yeah. Her name is TP. We're going to go with that. She used to ride 5-ton elephants, whom she called her brother. She used to hang out with cheetahs, and she'd also hug giant bullfrogs as if it were a teddy bear. This is coming to us from boredpanda.com. And I thought it was crazy to read this. This is from what I understand. It could be made up. I'm just going with it. So I go with it. They call her Mowgli. She was born in Namibia, and her photographer parents... Did I say that right? I don't know. Anyway, she spent her whole childhood playing with these wild animals. Snakes, cheetahs, baby zebras, giraffes, crocodiles. Sounds like Steve Irwin's daughter.
For sure. It's a little creepy.
So, Tippy, right? Did I say that right?
Yeah, it's Tippy.
Okay. Is that like Tippy Longstocking? Or is it Tippy?
Well, it's Pippi Longstockings,
Right.
but
Whatever.
it's Tippy.
Anyway, saw this one, thought it was a little bit crazy. Had to talk about it. Just making mention. And it was crazy. Like, totally, they're photos. I don't know if this is all fake or not, but photos.
But really, she looks like Mowgli.
The real Mowgli.
No, like really.
Mowgli. All right. Wild child in the woods. Wildlife. Africa.
I'm sincerely disturbed.
Maybe you grew up in the wildlife. Let us know about it. Hashtag LA On Air.
The wildlife of LC.
Here's Front Runner by the Squirt Gun Warriors out of Baton Rouge on LA On Air with Bray J.
Look at me, my feet are buried down beneath the street, 'cause I'm no front runner, and I'm falling behind. And I tried to stop and catch my breath, but I got pushed aside. Jokes on me, and I heard it while I was asleep. I've been sleep running, I'm running all the time. And I just wanna run my life on the side. Attend to it in my free time. Attend to it. Hide and seek. It isn't fun when they're chasing me like I'm some front runner.